Menteri rang ba kejela ukan rat kongkal sangma ule tho ba ke Sorkar kelarai ban Pynsuk no ikam kijam ban penbet renti no ha kabede ba kejeng Aiwai ne ke Lease ya ke jaka jong ke Sorkar. Ulang bagi don bon ba ke jaka ke Sorkar ha sor Shillong ke bala Aiwai mentala bon senam ba kladon du kejeng penthamai man la kalai po senam. Ba kene kejeng peniat ka kam ki kot kisla ki ha baniat leng ba ke Sorkar. Ulang ba ban Pynsuk no ekene ka kam ke Sorkar kala Pynsuk yur kom trekam bat ki bobon ki benta bat ke bor la pen kamti ha ki deputy commissioner kanang bakin la ban shimekarai bat ban le ki jing pathamai ke lenti ke bakloi klem don kam sho ban wan shaka Sorkar.
For the regularization of excess area on government lease lands. As you're aware, there are a large number of lands in and around Shillong which have been leased out many years back, and periodic renewals takes place every 30 years or so. And in that process, normally the documentations and the files have to come to the government, and therefore it's a very long and tedious process, and it requires a lot of officials to be involved, and hence we have decided to simplify the procedure. So we have simplified the procedure, and most of the delegation and the power has been given to the deputy commissioner, so the deputy commissioner can take the decisions and do the renewals at a much faster pace without it having to come to the government. So certain decisions were made for to make the entire process easier and smoother.